My name is Kim Famar. I'm a partner in a corporate gifting company called Beautiful Corporate Gifts. We are a level 2 Black empowered company with 100% female ownership. If you're watching today, are you looking for a project that can not only make a contribution in our lives, but also make an impact on other companies and on their brands? Well, if you are, this is the perfect project for you. Now, we'd like to introduce you to our inflatable furniture range, which is aimed at the eventing coordinator market. Our event coordinators are always asking us for fresh and innovative products to make their events more memorable. And our inflatable range comes in a tent, a chair, an ottoman, and a column. And today I'm going to show you how the inflatable ottoman works. Okay. The inflatable ottoman comes with a bladder and a printable skin, and these printable skins you can print with whatever you want to suit your theme. Now this one I've already partially inflated, but we are going to take the handheld motor, pop it into the nozzle. Generally these take 60 seconds to inflate, but because I've partially inflated it, it's going to take less time. And you zip it up, turn it over, and it's good to go. Now they're extremely comfortable and they stay inflated for up to 3 days, so an event coordinator doesn't have to reinstall during the event. With this project, our budget includes having a full range of the skins branded so that we can have a road show to go and show to event coordinators on how they can use it, and then they can also demo it for their clients. Our budget also includes all of our online media advertising, and it also includes a delivery van which we branded so that we can get more exposure and we can deliver the product to our clients very easily. For high-level contributors, you have the option of also putting your logo onto the delivery van. So I hope that you've enjoyed our presentation. Our products are fun and innovative, and if you're looking for any more information, you can contact me on kim@beautifulcorporategifts.co.za. We look forward to having you as part of our project.